Hey everyone, welcome to another video for the channel.
Hello.
That's my daughter, she wanted to say hello. So today we're doing a video for a headlight refurb or restore. So what we had to do, all this had was a few scratches. Just there you can see the layer of the old lacquer that we're putting back. And that is where you have to follow that and take that whole layer off. That's just pretty much like a lacquer coat. It's like a protective seal. Taking this off, and then it will be fine to just re-lacquer over the top. But obviously you can't just re-lacquer over 320. So what we do is we do it from as coarse as we can without it damaging it. So we normally work from 320 grit. I find unless you've got a really deep scratch, you may be able to go to 180, but I think going past there, I haven't actually tried 120 to be fair, but I think the coarser you go in, it's going to be harder to get it all out, because it's still only like plastic you're sort of rubbing through. So we tend to try and go to 320, and then what we do is we do 500. Which we'll show you through here, 500, then 1,000, and then Trizac 3,000. So this is just one that we tend to, this is the way we found the best way. So you've got to really make sure that you get all of the old lacquer off. Otherwise, when you come to re-lacquer, you will see sort of the lines or where it's sort of either discoloured, because sometimes it discolours. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's quite simple, really. There's not much to it. So here we are, 1,000. All you got to do is just make sure you go over where you've gone from the previous coarseness. So now we go 1,000 over the 5. You probably could go 800. That might be a better option, 800 and 1,000, but these thousands from 3M are really good. We use this for lacquering, like blended on the panels and things, just to lacquer over, so we know that it will be fine. But I just like to, yeah, I don't know what it is, I like to go over with a Trizac, wet as well. I do spray a bit of water on it just out the tap. I find you sort of see it come, as you can see, you see it coming up to shine now, so you sort of get an idea of how it's looking. Yeah, and I find it just makes it that more of a nicer finish, because it just makes it more smoother. Like any fine scratches, it takes it out, that last little section. I didn't add in a video on this. There is a little bit I missed about, especially around like the edges and that. We normally just grey scotch it. So yeah, just a grey scotch around the edges, and then you'll just mask around on the plastic, sort of where you don't want to lacquer. And then we normally do grease it. That's just a way of seeing how it is. It's like a preview if you sort of lacquer in it. So you sort of just spray a bit over, and as you can see, it looks quite good. No scratches, no previous lacquer left or missed. So yeah, just wipe that down, mask it up. We just used just a 1 inch or 2 inch tape with some small brown paper to cover the back of the light, because you don't want any overspray going into the light or anything, or over the plastic. As you can see, so it's all been blown off, degreased. The first coat of lacquer, I normally just do like a dust coat, just to sort of seal it and sort of an even coat. And yeah, the second coat is pretty much like a full coat. Make sure you do all your edges, because sometimes you do see all edges when you lift the bonnet up, so you want it to look as sort of manufactured as possible. And yeah, hopefully this helped. Sort of a short video. Hopefully I've explained it all right for you. And yeah, if you've got any different ways you guys do it, then yeah, chuck it in the comments. It'd be interesting to know. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for sort of following the channel if you have. If you're new, subscribed, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.